Hello everyone, myself Zilda Melia. My enrollment ID is 16SS02BT007. I am from semester 6. My presentation on cucumber mosaic virus. First of all, what is a virus? Viruses are non-cellular microscopic infectious agents that can only replicate inside a host cell. From a biological perspective, viruses cannot be classified either as a living organism or non-living organism. Classification based on the host range. There are four different types of viruses. First, animal viruses. Second, plant viruses. Third, bacteriophages. And four, insect viruses. Plant viruses infect the plants by invading the plant cells. Well-known examples of plant viruses include potato viruses, tobacco mosaic viruses, cauliflower mosaic viruses, etc. There are some silent features of viruses. They are smaller than bacteria. Viruses can be filterable, may cause infection and disease like smallpox, flu, etc. Able to reproduce in a host cell. Use enzymes and metabolic machinery of host cells. RNA is their genetic material. They are obligated parasites, self-replicating, and non-cellular organisms. Plant viruses mostly have a single-stranded RNA. All animal viruses mostly have a single or double-stranded RNA or DNA. They have a protein called this called capsid that protects the nucleic acid of viruses. They causes disease in plants like mosaic, leaf curling, leaf roll, etc. Then what is plant viruses? Plant viruses are viruses that affect the plants. 50% of non-plant viruses are rod-shaped. The length of the particle is normally depend on the genome, but it is usually between 300 to 500 nanometer with a diameter of 15 to 20 nanometer. The second most common structure amongst the plant viruses are isometric particles. They are 25 to 50 nanometer in a diameter. In cases when there is only a single code protein, the basic structure consists of 60 T subunits. T is an integer. A very small number of plant viruses have in addition to their code proteins a lipid envelope. This is derived from the plant cell membrane as the virus particle bursts off from the cell. Plant viruses have general characteristics. Viruses is a submicroscopic, transmissible, intercellular, obligate parasite and consists of nucleic acid, which is typically surrounded by a coat protein. They are less than 200 mmicron and cannot be grown in artificial media and require living host cell for multiplication. They have both living and non-living properties. Living characters include their ability to cause disease, reproduce, mutant, and have genetic materials. Non-living characters are the lack of cellular structure, enzymatic activities, respiratory activities, and they can be crystallized by physical means. Introduction of cucumber mosaic virus. Classification of cucumber mosaic virus. Family Bromoviridae. Genus Cucumbovirus. Species cucumber mosaic virus. Disease cucumber mosaic. Pathogen cucumber mosaic virus. Host over 1,200 species of monocots and dicots including many vegetables, ornaments and woody and semi-woody plants. CMV was first described in detail in 1961 on cucumber. CMV is naturally found in temperate areas where aphids are present. One of its main vectors are also found. CMV infects 1,200 species in over 100 plants, families, and can cause significant economic losses in many vegetables and horticulture crops. CMV causes a systematic infection in most host plants but may show no symptoms in some crops like alfalfa. This is the structure of cucumber mosaic virus. Symptoms of cucumber mosaic virus. It depends on the crop infected and the age of the plant when infections are occurs. CMV spreads quick easily, so it is found in worldwide. It can be transmitted by more than 60 different types of aphid species. It infects important crop and ornamental plant species. Symptoms of CMV infect plants appear on its leaves and fruits. This shows how symptoms are shown on the cucumber fruits and plants and their leaves. Cucumber plant can be infected with CMV at any stage, and once it is infected, the plant's virus is spread systematically within the plant. Symptoms appear 7 to 14 days after infection and develop the host quickly at a temperature of 79 to 80. A light to dark green mosaic mottling appears on the youngest leaves. Stunting. Mosaic pattern of light and dark green on the leaves. Malformation of leaves or growing points. Yellow streaking of leaves. The streaking of leaves is shows on especially monocots. Yellow spotting on a leaves. Ring spot or line patterns on a leaves or a fruit. Flower color breaking. Distinct yellow only of veins. Some of the above symptoms can also be caused by high temperature, insect feeding, growth regulators, herbicides, mineral deficiencies, and mineral excesses. Virus disease cannot be diagnosed on the basis of symptoms alone. The genome of the cucumber mosaic virus. CMV is linear positive sense tripartite single-stranded RNA. Genome size is 8.6 to 3 kb. There are three different types of RNAs: RNA1, RNA2, and RNA3, all of which has a tRNA-like structure. The disease cycle of cucumber mosaic virus. Primary source of CMV infection from the infected weeds or crop host. Transmission of CMV occurs more than 18 aphid species, including Myzus persei and Alphygospe, in a non-persistent manner. In this manner, the insect acquires the viruses generally within 1 minute and retain it for a few minutes, losing it in a normal feeding activity. That means, if the insect would has to infect another plant, it has to acquire the virus again. CMV is mainly transmitted by aphids, but it can also be mechanically spread by humans in some cases. The mechanical spreading of this virus is not as common as the case of other viruses, because CMV is not very stable virus. When it is transmitted by aphids, this virus has an incubation period of 5 to 10 seconds and an inoculation period of about 1 minute. After 2 minutes, the probability of inoculation largely decreases. Within 2 hours, it is practically impossible to transmission it. CMV can overwinter in a perennial plants and weed, as it can survive the winter in the roots of the plants and move to the aerial parts in the spring, where it can be transmitted by aphids to other plants. Once the virus penetrates into the host cell, it releases its RNAs into host cytoplasm. Then proteins 1A and 2A are produced to enable the virus replication, which takes place in viral factories, which are subcellular compartments, which increase the efficiency of this process. Double-stranded RNA genome is synthesized from the single-stranded RNAs and transcribed in order to obtain viral mRNAs as well as the new single-stranded RNAs. The capsid proteins are produced and the new viral particles are assembled. The virus is ready to move to a new cell by triggering the formation of tuberous structure which mediate the movement of the virions. The short distance movement of the virus is achieved via plasmodesmata while the long distance one occurs via the phloem. Control of cucumber mosaic virus. Insecticides are not generally useful for controlling CMV because it does not penetrate heat in the aphids for long enough. Insecticides sometimes irritate aphids into moving and probably plants more rapidly and result in a faster spread of the virus. Mineral oil or rapid-acting insecticide spray can be effective. Time planting to avoid exposing young plants to high aphid population. Do not plant cucumbers near woods, brush areas and other areas that are weedy. There are no chemicals that cure the CMV infected plants nor any that process that protect the plants from becoming infected. Purchase virus-free plants. Maintain strict aphid control. Remove all weeds since these may harbor both CMV and aphids. Immediately set aside plants with the above symptoms and obtain a diagnosis. Discard the virus-infected plants. Disinfector tools used for vegetative propagation frequently. Propagate plants via seeds rather than vegetatively. Thank you.